Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to add WordPress category images and display your WordPress categories with their respective images. As you can see on my screen here, you're going to use a shortcode to display these posts, the recent posts in different categories using a category image. This is a solution that I have built for one of my projects to display different WordPress categories with their respective images. This plugin that I'm using here is a free plugin that you can download and use in adding category images to your WordPress site. Let me show you how to get this done. First, you need to navigate to my GitHub profile here. You look for this link. The link is in the description. So once you get to this WordPress category media page, the new releases for the plugin will be on your left here. On this releases page, you can see the different releases for your WordPress category image plugin. So essentially, this is a basic plugin that allows you to add WordPress category images and then display the categories in different formats. Currently, in this version, in the first version, we only have one display, as you can see here. In the future, I anticipate I might build more options. And if you like to see more options built, please comment in the comments section below. So let's get started. Where do you start when you're adding WordPress category images? You download the zip file from releases. So you click on this link. Then you're going to see the different releases. So you go to the latest one. Then you click on the source code and download it. Once you download this source code, this is the source code for your WordPress plugin. It's basically the same as WordPress plugin zip file. You add it to your plugins and you activate it. So you go to add new, then you choose upload, then you upload your zip and activate it as a WordPress plugin. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to skip that step since I've already added it and activated it. Here we have the WordPress category or WP category media, which is an easy way to add WordPress category images to your different categories, as well as display the categories using a shortcode. Once you've activated the category plugin, you go to posts, categories. You can now see if your categories have existing images displayed here. By default, if a category does not have an image, it's going to have this placeholder. To add a new category, we can create now a new category with the image. So you simply add the category name. Let's do category 7. Then you upload the image or you add an image from the media library. Then you can add a description. You can set the image width and the radius. Then the category has been added. Category 7 has been added with its image. If you'd like to change this image to a new image, you simply need to click on edit. Then you can remove this image or click change and add a new image and you update. To display these categories with their respective images, you need a shortcode, WP-CM category display post. Then this takes the number of, it takes in two attributes. It takes in the post per category and exclude category. If you'd like to exclude a specific category, you put them here in numbers separated by commas. So that's how you display the layout, as you can see on my front end here. That's how you add your WordPress category image. And for each category image, you can see it's displayed at the top. So basically, that's how you add your WordPress category image. The other plugins, which I'm not sure if they are good as this one is just a solution that is easy to add and customize. In the future, we're possibly going to improve it. I would like to know what you would like to see on this plugin. Thank you. And if you like this kind of content, and if you enjoyed this kind of free plugin, kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.